Welcome to the InfoMult YouTube channel. If you're going to buy automotive multimeters, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the number of products available. But don't worry. We have picked the best automotive multimeters on the market to help you buy the perfect match. The products' links are in the description. Let's get started. Number 6. AC, DC Auto/Manual Range Digital Multimeter by Tekpower. This multimeter offers good category ratings ranging from 600 to 1000 V. It contains an LED and an audible warning if the wrong banana jacks are used in relation to the preset. A blue backlit LED screen and an auto-off feature can be turned off. It also features a data hold capability, which allows you to freeze the display while comparing saved values. The MS8268 is a new auto/manual ranging digital multimeter. It has numerous useful features, such as sound and light warnings for the jacks and a backlit LCD screen. It measures alternating current voltages up to 750 V, frequencies up to 200 kHz, and currents up to 10 A. However, its capacitance range is relatively limited. It has a 1-year warranty and runs on 3 AAA batteries that are not included. Number 5. 115 Digital Multimeter by Fluke. The Fluke 115 multimeter gives exact measurements on nonlinear loads due to its true RMS, root mean square, accuracy. It monitors frequency, current, resistance, continuity, and a variety of other parameters. While it can measure up to 600.0 V for AC, DC readings, it can also measure up to 600.0 ohms reliably. The Fluke 115 has tough housing that can withstand drops, shocks, and dampness. The Fluke 115 is extremely user-friendly, having a backlit 6000 count digital display and big digits for easy reading. Its simple labeling clearly indicates the function of each button, dial, and connection. The Fluke 115 includes auto-ranging and protects against common faults that could result in false readings. Furthermore, its operating temperature range of -10 to +60 degrees Celsius is combined with a robust shell for optimal wear and tear resistance. Overload protection, as an added bonus, provides continuous functioning and long life. Number 4. 117 Digital Multimeter by Fluke. The Fluke 11 True RMS multimeter, with a Category 3 600 V safety rating, is up to the difficult jobs that electricians confront daily. Surges at a 6 kV peak should be avoided, according to the IEC. You may deliver superior accuracy while protecting yourself from intense electrical events with rapid output and integrated non-contact voltage. Use AutoVolt for automatic AC, DC voltage selection to get there faster. Working in low light conditions? Its LED backlit display can handle anything. You can also use it with a magnetic hanging to operate hands-free. True RMS technology allows you to obtain precise measurements even with nonlinear loads. You can correctly analyze data with min/max/average readings while testing frequency, resistance, continuity, and capacitance. You may be confident in your results since the low input impedance eliminates misleading readings produced by ghost voltage. The Fluke 117 electrician's multimeter is suitable for electricians due to its integrated non-contact voltage detection and the Auto V/Low Z mode, which prevents misleading readings produced by ghost voltage. Number 3. Auto-Ranging Digital Multimeter by Innova. The Innova 3320 digital multimeter is ideal for anyone new to multimeters due to its color-coded interface, simple design, and single-setting resistance readers. Its auto-ranging scales can dial in the proper range for electronic measurements, assisting users in obtaining precise findings. For increased convenience, the Innova 3320 comes with attachable test leads, holders, and a stand. Because it is a UL-certified multimeter, it is suitable for both automotive and domestic use. It's a fantastic beginner's gift that rivals many of its higher-grade competitors. Its auto-ranging scales determine the relevant measurement range automatically, eliminating the need to dial in the correct range when taking electronic measurements. The 10 megohm input is suitable for automotive and residential applications. The color-coded LEDs make it easy to check household batteries. It also has attachable test leads, holders, and a stand for hands-free use, as well as protective rubber corner guards to safeguard against drops. Number 2. 6000 counts digital multimeter. Astro IWH 5000 A digital multimeter is a superb solution for professional level readings at an affordable price. Voltage, resistance, current, capacitance, continuity, frequency, diodes, transistors, and temperature are among the tests available. You won't be able to live without auto range if you don't have it. Also, the sample rate is relatively fast, at 2 times per second. This model can even tell you whether the current you're monitoring is alternating current or direct current. In terms of safety features, this model excels, with explosion-proof ceramic fuse tubes and overload protection on all ranges. It is Cat 3600V and Cat 21000V rated. It has a hanging magnet and a kickstand, so you may use it no matter what your desk looks like. Support data hold, a wide LCD backlit screen, auto shut-off, a hanging magnet, and a kickstand make measuring easy. Number 1. 2000 counts digital multimeter by Astro AI. This multimeter is designed for precise troubleshooting in automobile and home electrical applications. It is simple to use, and its manufacturer emphasizes its operational safety. This multimeter can be used to test transistors and diodes in addition to measuring voltage, current, and continuity. The multimeter also includes a kickstand, which eliminates the need to hold it during testing. A low battery indication, overload protection, and a buzzer are also included. Its hold button allows you to freeze the data that is being shown. Its digital display is quite large and incorporates a backlit LCD for visibility even in low-light situations. Its sample rate is increased to twice every second. Its anti-burn double ceramic fuse protects against overloading. The silicone cover protects the multimeter from damage and prevents electric shocks. When the battery power is low, a low battery indicator will be displayed. It measures AC, DC voltage, DC, resistance, and diode with precision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel.